Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am your Margi ma'am. Children, yesterday we read one paragraph and did a copywriting of some sentences. So today again we will revise same. Children, now we will read a new paragraph. Children, today we will read this paragraph. First we will read heading of it. C A T cat. H A S has. A H A T hat. Cat has a hat. मतलब कि कैट के पास क्या है? हैट. T-O-M Tom. T-O-M Tom. Then H-A-S has. A B-I-G big. C-A-T cat. Then full stop. Tom has a big cat. Tom के पास क्या है? Big cat. Now we will read second line. T-H-E the. C-A-T cat. H-A-S has. A B-I-G big. And H-A-T hat. Then full stop. The cat has a big hat. कैट के पास बिग हैट है. Now we will read third line. T-H-E the. C-A-T cat. I-S is. O-N on. A M-A-T mat. Full stop. The cat is on a mat. कैट कहाँ पर है? मैट के ऊपर. Now we will read last line. I-T it. I-S is. A B-I-G big. M-A-T mat. Full stop. It is a big mat. मैट कैसा है? Big. Now we will copyright some new sentences in our English 4-line notebook. Children, today again we will do copywriting. Here is today's date. 6.3.2121. बच्चों, tell your mama to prepare a page like this. Here is first sentence. Capital A T-U-B tub. I-S is. W-E-T wet. Then full stop. A tub is wet. मतलब कि टब कैसा है? गीला. Now first we will write capital A. Then we will write T-U-B tub. But first we will leave one finger space. Then we will write T U B tub. Again one finger space, then I S is. Again one finger space, then we will write W E T. Wet. Then we have to put full stop, मतलब कि sentence खत्म. A tub is wet. Again we will copy the same sentence. Capital A, one finger space, then T U B tub, one finger space, then I S is. Again one finger space, W E T. Wet. Then full stop. A tub is wet. A tub is wet. Now we will take second sentence. First we will read it. Capital A M A N in a van full stop. A man in a van, मतलब कि man कहाँ पे है? van के अंदर. First we will write capital A, then one finger space and M A N man. Again one finger space, then I N in. Again one finger space, then we will write small a. Again space V A N van. Then full stop. A man in a van. Again we will write the same sentence. Capital A, one finger space, M A N man. Again space I N in. Again space small a. Again one finger space, then V A N van. Then full stop. A man in a van. Now we will move to third sentence. First we will read it. A F-A-T fat. C-A-T cat. O-N on a mat. Then full stop. A fat cat on a mat. मतलब कि मोटी कैट कहाँ पे बैठी है? मैट के ऊपर. Now we will copy it. First we will write capital A. Then leave one finger space. Then F A T. F at a fat. Again one finger space. C A T. C at a cat. Again space, then O N on. One finger space, then we will write small a. And last we will write M A T. M at a mat. Again we will write the same sentence. Capital A, then one finger space, F A T. For at a fat. Then one finger space, C A T. C at a cat. Again one finger space, then O N on. Again one finger space, then we will write small a. And again give one space, then M A T mat. Then we will put full stop. A fat cat on a mat. तो आपको इस तरह से कॉपीराइटिंग का ये पेज लिखना है. Children, I hope you like this video very much. So take care and bye.